What's up, financial explorers, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into Ethereum because the charts are telling a fascinating story of a market at a crossroads. Is ETH about to launch into orbit, or is it about to hit a wall? Let's break it down. Right now, the feeling around Ethereum is a mix of high-octane optimism and serious caution. It's a classic battle between the bulls and the bears playing out in real time. On the one hand, the bullish camp is fired up. We're seeing powerful long-term chart patterns emerge. Some analysts are pointing to a massive ascending triangle on the weekly chart, which historically suggests a major upward move is brewing. Others have spotted a cup-and-handle pattern that has already broken to the upside, signaling potential for strong bullish momentum. These long-term players are looking past the daily noise, suggesting that Ethereum has successfully retested a critical support zone around $2,100 and is now building a base for a potential run at a new all-time high in the coming months. But before you go all in, let's look at the other side of the trade. The bears are raising some red flags. On shorter time frames, we're seeing signs of exhaustion. The price rally appears to be stalling as it hits a significant wall of resistance. Indicators like the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, are showing what's called a bearish divergence, where the price makes a new high, but the indicator doesn't. This can often signal that the upward momentum is weakening. This has prompted a number of traders to call for a short-term pullback. So, what are the key price levels you need to be watching? The big test for the bulls is the resistance zone right around $3,140. If Ethereum can decisively break through and hold above this level, it could trigger the next major leg up. Many are looking at targets like $3,300 and even $4,000 if this happens. For potential selling points or areas of caution, keep an eye on that same $3,140 level. A failure to break through could confirm the bear's thesis. A more immediate selling point could be considered if the price breaks below the key short-term support around $3,030. If that level gives way, the next stop for bears could be around $2,980, with a stronger support level waiting down at approximately $2,860. So, what are the key takeaways here? The overall market sentiment is cautiously bullish, but it's walking on a tightrope. The long-term picture looks promising, with classic bullish patterns forming. However, the short-term indicators are flashing warning signs of exhaustion as ETH pushes against heavy resistance. This is a pivotal moment for Ethereum. A breakout above $3,140 could signal the start of a powerful rally. A rejection from this level could see the price pull back to test lower support zones, offering a potential buying opportunity for those who missed the last move up. As always, the market will do what it does. The question is, how will you react? Keep these levels on your chart, manage your risk, and trade smart. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.